Hi everybody! Welcome to A Dash of Real Estate. I'm Travis.
And I'm Rachel. Today we're making bulgogi. Stay tuned.
Bulgogi is a Korean dish. The name literally means fire and meat.
Not because it's spicy. It comes from the cooking style of being fired in a skillet. Alright guys, so let's start cooking. First, take some garlic, then add some green onion and sweet onion. Then you want to add in the store-bought bulgogi marinade. I like to do this step the night before so all the flavors have a chance to marinate. Let me know in the comments below if you have a good bulgogi recipe.
It's time to get messy. Take all the ingredients in a bowl and mix thoroughly. Now, let's get ready to make the pickled cucumbers. But first, don't forget the 2 thumbs up.
For the quick pickled cucumbers, start with sliced cucumber. Add salt, sugar, and crushed red pepper. If you're not a fan of spice, leave out the crushed red pepper. Add green onion and then pour over some rice wine vinegar. Make sure you shimmy.
Now while that's cooking, let's take a look at the house.
This home is over 2,700 square feet, has a semi-open floor plan, and is an entertainer's dream. A first-floor master bedroom with a bath and a walk-in closet. 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. There's plenty of room for guests or your family to spread out. This home has to be seen in person to get the full effect.
We ended up back in the kitchen. Now let's check on the food.
Alright, just checking the doneness here. Depending on how you like your ribeye cooked will determine when to pull the meat off the heat. You could pull it at this point or wait just a little longer. I like to pull it when the sauce starts to do its magic. The sugar in the marinade and the heat of the pan caramelize and glaze the meat beautifully. It's time to plate. We serve everything family style. Here we have rice, bulgogi, butter lettuce, and quick pickled cucumbers. You could also serve bulgogi with kimchi, carrots, and any other veggies you'd like.
I love bulgogi because it's full of flavor and each bite is different. The combinations are endless. Let us know in the comments how you like to eat yours.
Alright guys, so you've seen the house. We've cooked. Now it's time to eat.
I enjoy that sweet taste that you get from the meat itself. It's sweet, but yet it has somewhat of a little hint of like spice to it.
If you're interested in purchasing this home or one like it, contact me today.
Don't forget, rate, comment, and subscribe.
See you on the next one.